Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your WeChat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your WeChat's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The official page of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign Up option. You can sign up to your WeChat's account using your mobile or through Facebook as well. Choose any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with mobile number. On the next page, enter your name, select your country or region, enter your phone number and create a password for your WeChat's account. Tick mark on the circle to agree to the terms and conditions of WeChat and tap on accept and continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number and tap on next. This is how you can sign up for your WeChat's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.